Hi friends, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to Math Today. Today for math, you'll need your apple seed bonds activity sheet and a pencil. Make sure you grab a pencil because we'll be doing some number writing. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials that you need. All right, friends, welcome back. Today we're going to work on our learning target that says I can break apart numbers into two groups. So when we're breaking apart numbers or taking some things away, we are subtracting, right? So when we subtract, we start with a whole group, take some of the things away, and make our number smaller. Can you say smaller in your small voice with me? Smaller. Very good. So we're going to get to that activity sheet in just a moment, but let's start with some skill practice review. So let's just name some of our numbers. Ready? They're all mixed up. Here we go. 15, 20, 19, 10, 12, 8, 11, 14, 4, 6, 9, 13, 17, 18, 2, 3, 1, 16, 7, 5. Very good job. All right. Now, we're going to take a look at some addition sentence practice cards. I want you to help me read the whole sentence since we still need practice with that, and then answer them as quickly as we can. See if you can beat me answering it. Ready? Oh, here we go. 0 add 0 equals 0. 1 add 2 equals 3. 0 add 0 equals 0. 4 add 1 equals 5. 1 add 3 equals 4. 0 add 1 equals 1. 3 add 1 equals 4. 3 add 0 equals 3. 4 add 1 equals 5. And 1 add 1 equals 2. Very good job. All right, now we're going to practice some counting. So I want you to stand up and make some room for yourselves. We're going to count and stretch it out. Ready? We're going to start by tilting from side to side. Let's start at 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's reach for the stars. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Stop right there. Now we're going to count backwards from 19. So let's do a different exercise. Ready? Let's squish the bug with our tushies. Here we go. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Let's get the air in front of us. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Give yourselves a roller coaster cheer. Ready? Click, click, click. Woo! So that's practicing counting, knowing our numbers in order or in sequence. When we count in order, our number gets bigger. When we count backwards, our number gets smaller. Okay? So, excellent job. Kiss your brains over there. All right, let's take a look now at our activity sheet for today. So, on our activity sheet, there are different apples. So, let's just go through and name the numbers on our apples. Ready? We have 4, 6, 3, 8, 5, 7, 6, 10, 9, 8. Okay, good job. Now, attached to those apples are 2 seeds. So each apple has 2 seeds. You'll notice in one of the seeds, there's already a number. So what we have to do today is start with our whole group, and then we are going to take this many away and see how many we have left over. So we're breaking our number apart into 2 groups. We're seeing, okay, when we put these 2 numbers together, it makes this whole group. Okay? So I have some cubes to show what I'm talking about. We'll also use our fingers as practice. So the first apple has what number in it? 4. So help me count out 4 cubes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what number do you see in the first seed? 3. So help me count out from our group of 4. Help me count out 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to take 3 away. So how many do I have left over in my other group? 1. So let's go ahead and write a 1 in our other seed connected to the first apple. So when I have a whole group of 4, I take 3 away, I have 1 left over. Let's show that with our fingers. Show me 4. Okay, now let's pretend eat 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. When I eat 3, how many are in my other group? 1. So when I have a group of 4, I can break it apart into a group of 3 and a group of 1. Okay, let's try one more, but I'm going to skip the middle one. Let's go to number 3 over here, so stay with me. Okay, so I have 3 cubes. Help me count out 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't need that guy. So I have a whole group of 3. Okay, now look down at the seeds. How many do they tell us we're going to take away? 1. I'm not adding 1, I'm taking 1 away. So I have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to break 1 off. So now how many do I have left over? 1, 2. So in our other seed, we're going to write a 2. Okay, and that's connected to my number 3. So I can break 3 apart into a group of 1 and a group of 2. Make sense? Let's make it with our fingers. So I start with 3. Now, let's eat 1 finger. 1. Now, how many do I have left? 2. Okay? So we're starting with our whole group on our apple, taking away the number on the seed that it already gives us to figure out how many are left to write in our other seed. Get it? Got it? Good. All right. Go ahead and complete the rest on your own. Don't forget this guy right here. When you're finished, post it to your teacher's Google Classroom. Keep up the great work, and remember, you are subtracting today. Taking apart, not adding, subtracting. All right, friends, awesome job. See you tomorrow for math.